Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to Hero Handmade YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make this beautiful pair of earrings. This is really easy to make. You just need to know the chain stitch, double crochet and the slip stitch to make this pair of earrings, and this is really easy, and even if you are a beginner it will take just less than 15 minutes to complete this project. So first of all we will look into the things we need to make this. I'm going to use 100% cotton yarn to make this. This is actually 3 ply, little bit thicker. So this is the color I'm going to use today. And along with that we need 1.75 millimeter crochet hook. I'm going to use the steel crochet hook that is very easy to work with. We will also need 2 hook ear wires like this. And 2 of the 6 millimeter jump rings. And we will also need the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project, and then the yarn cutter to cut the ends, and also a plier to attach the hook ear wire and the jump ring into the earring to complete it. These are the things we required, so let's get started with the project. We will just get started with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we have our magic ring ready, so that we are going to work into the magic ring. First of all, chain 2, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. After that we need to work 16 double crochets into this magic ring. If you don't know how to work the double crochet, I will explain to you step by step. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the magic ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Now we will work the second double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the magic ring. Now we have 3 loops again, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets here. We don't count these 2 chains as the double crochet, but instead of that we need to work 16 double crochets into the magic ring. We will work the third double crochet now. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. We have completed 3 double crochets now. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 4. I will show you just once more. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 5 double crochets. I feel like the magic ring is too big. To make it small, what we need to do is just pull this tail a little bit to make it a little smaller. Now we have completed 5 double crochets. We need to continue until we get 16 double crochets into the magic ring. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we have completed 16 double crochets into the magic ring, and then we need to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring, just like this. And then we will put a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet we have done. This is the first double crochet, and insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed making 16 double crochets into the magic ring, and then pull this tail very tight to close it properly. And if you count now, you can see that you have 16 stitches around. And then we will start with the petals of the flower. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Then we need to work 3 double crochets into the very next stitch over here. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first double crochet. We will work the second double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Again, the third stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 3 double crochets into the very next stitch, and then chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now you can see that we have completed the first petal of the flower. And from here we will work the second petal as well. Chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then again chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 2 petals here. I will show you the third petal as well. Chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the very next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 3 petals. We will just continue. Chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and here we go with 3 double crochets, and then again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets and 3 double crochets, and again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch. We have completed 5 petals over here. Chain 2, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets into the next stitch, and chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch. We have completed 6 petals. Again chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch. And again chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Then again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round over here. So insert the hook into the starting point of the round, yarn over and pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we can chain 1, and to finish the project we need to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Now we have completed the flower. You can see that we have 8 petals around. And then we can use our yarn needle to hide the tails of the flower. Just insert the yarn needle into few stitches to hide the tail. And then thread the yarn needle. And you can pull it from the other side. And if you have excess piece of yarn, you can just use the yarn cutter to cut the ends. Now we will hide the other tail too. Now we have completed the crochet part of the project. I have the other one also here. Now we will see how to attach the jump ring and the hook ear wire into the earring. What we need to do is just take the jump ring and open it up using the plier and insert the jump ring into a petal like this. And then we will put the hook ear wire also in, and then just use the plier to secure the jump ring. That's it. We will make the other one also now. Open the jump ring, insert that into a petal, and insert the hook ear wire also in, and just secure it by using the plier. Now we have completed that pair of earrings as well. That's really easy to make and very quick. So you can refer to the video and make one on your own. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I hope I have explained all the things clearly for you. If you have any question, you can just go ahead and comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to Hiru Handmade channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well. You can watch many more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching Hiru Handmade.